Okay. So now there are two types of imperfection. First one is electronic imperfection. Second one is atomic imperfection. Electronic imperfection is due to the preserved electrons in ionic crystal. Okay, so it is due to the electrons present in a pure crystal or in any crystal. Second one is atomic imperfection. This one part is very important for our board exam. Okay, for the purpose of for our board exam. So there are two types of defects in our atomic imperfection. First one is point defect. Second one is lattice point. Okay. Atomic imperfections. It is of two types. Point defect. Second one is our lattice defects. Okay. And our point defect is of two types: stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric defects. Stoichiometric defects are those defects which is due to the vacancy of ion, in which the ratio of cation and anion is same. If there are two cations, okay, then there will be a two anion in a same crystal. Next one, non-stoichiometric defect. It is due to difference in ratio of cation and anions. Okay, it means there is an improper ratio of cation and anion in non-stoichiometric ratios. Okay, it means there will be a more number of anions, more number of cations. Okay, but in stoichiometric defect there will be a same ratio of cation and anion. It means positive charge and negative charge. Okay, pause. On the basis of stoichiometric defect, there are four types of defect. These four types of defects are very important for our board exam. Okay, so please be serious. Okay. First one point is vacancy defect. Second one is interstitial defect. Third one is Schottky defect. Fourth one is Frankel defect. Pause. The stoichiometric defect, there are four types of defects. First one vacancy, second one interstitial, third Schottky, and fourth one is Frankel. So vacancy defect. Vacancy defect is when some of the lattice site in a crystal are unoccupied. So these are the lattice site in which the constituent particles are present. Okay, and this site is known as the unoccupied site is known as interstitial site. Okay. Unoccupied site. Okay. So when some of the lattice site, it means constituent particle site in a crystal are unoccupied in this way. So in this time, or you can say in this defect, the density of the crystal will get decreased. Okay, because mass density is equals to mass upon volume. If mass will get decreased because two constituent particle, place of two constituent particle is empty. So mass will get decreased. If mass will get decreased, then your density will get decreased. Next one is your interstitial defect. When some constituent particles occupy interstitial site. So you can see here in this diagram that constituent particles, or you can say lattice sites, okay, occupy the space of interstitial site. So that's why this defect is known as interstitial defect. So density of this defect will get increases, okay, because more number of constituent particles will get add up in your crystal. So it means mass will get increased. If mass will get increased, so your density definitely will get increased, because density is equal to mass upon volume. Third one is your Schottky defect. Schottky means mostly your Schottky defect and Frankel defect is present in your ionic crystals, mostly in ionic compounds. Okay, so Schottky defect, this defect involves the missing of equal numbers of cation and anions in a ionic solid. You can see in this diagram that here, okay, a cation is missing and here an anion is missing, because positive charge attracted towards the negative charge. Okay, so positive charge, there is a presence of positive charge because positive charge will get surrounded by the negative charge. A cation is surrounded by anions. Okay, so in this way, this side is a positive side, that is your cation, and this side is your negative side, that is your anion. Okay, pause. See, a cation is, okay, a cation is missing and here an anion is missing. So a best one example is NaCl. Okay, that is your sodium chloride. Here mostly the density will get decreased. Okay. So next one is your Frenkel defect. Frenkel defect means this defect arises when an ion, generally a cation is positively charged, leaves its lattice site and occupies an interstitial site. You can see in the diagram, a lattice site, a constituent particle leaves its place and goes in your interstitial site. So the best one example is AgCl, AgBr, okay, and so on. So in the next one video, we will complete our non-stoichiometric defects, lattice defects, and your properties. Okay, properties of your solids, and most important topics, that is doping. Okay, p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor. Okay, and after that we will carry on our chapter number 2. So thank you for watching my video.